A Seattle duplex completed a $917,000 renovation, but part of the project's tax opportunity was still buried inside the construction costs. The 4,100 square foot property owner wanted to identify every available deduction connected to the renovation. In 2024, Specialty Tax completed a UNICAP exemption study and reviewed the indirect costs included in the project. The study identified $208,000 in eligible indirect costs, equal to approximately 23% of the total construction basis. Primary items included overhead and profit, along with taxes that would normally have remained capitalized. Based on the study, those eligible costs could be fully expensed in the current tax year. Built or renovated a property since 2018? Your project may deserve a second look.